Boy, that soft rain out there, it's just a pitter pattering on that lake, just nice like. I thought it was going to be dry today. Oh well. Hey y'all, Bear here. Spam Timber. Happy Spam Timber and happy Camp Cooking Tuesday. It's raining. I don't know why people make such a big deal of starting a fire in the rain. You just need enough accelerant. She'll go right up. Yeah, there we go. So we're cooking in the rain, and that's right, Spam. This week we're doing kabobs, and I found them on the Spam website 2 years ago, but I no longer see them there. Anyhow, y'all take a look at the Spam website. There's over 100 recipes, and if there's one on there you really like, shoot her down there in the comments and tell us about it. I was actually going to do this Spam recipe when I went camping with Mike B from Mike's Wild World, but frankly, it got dark and I was tired. I just didn't feel like filming it. I just fried it up in the cook pan real quick and I ate and went to bed. But we're doing it now. This here recipe is pretty simple. You need Spam, about 7 ounces chunked up for the skewers. You need about 1/3 of a pineapple chunked up. And you need 1 red bell pepper chunked up. You're gonna need skewers. You need rocks, set up your skewer length, and you need charcoal from your campfire. We're gonna top it off with some barbecue sauce. I got Sweet Baby Ray's. Now, I'm gonna get a pot of yellow rice going to serve mine with. We need some butter. When I was camping with Mike, I just subbed in some olive oil for the butter. Get our rice. And then we need a cup and 2/3 of water. I'm gonna go put her on the campfire. Now that's gonna give me enough for almost 6 skewers even. There we are. Let's go get them on the fire. That's right. Well, look here. If you've ever had to cook in the rain at camp, how about hitting that old like button down there and let us know? There's a good sitting rock. There you go. Y'all see what we got going on? And we're just gonna drop these guys on there. We're gonna start cooking. Just enough room. Now, if I only had a little cover. You know, if I had thought to do it, a simple piece of aluminum foil, and I could have built some rocks up and tinted it over, and that would have helped. I'm using this to help try to protect my coals and cook our kabobs for now, though. Let's give them a little spin. Now, of course, you could also take and skewer these up on some marshmallow sticks and just roast them over your fire that way. Does my rice look like it's gonna cook like this? Yeah, my rice is starting to cook. I got a little simmer action there. Hey y'all, look here, it's time to start mopping on some barbecue sauce. I had one skewer fail, it broke off on me. I guess that's why you're supposed to soak your skewers before you use them. Now, if you're out there bushcrafting and that kind of thing, you know, you take your barbecue sauce and the squirrel tail from that squirrel you caught and cooked up last night, and you use that squirrel tail and you can mop yourself some sauce on. But me, I'm just going to use a little brush I brought from home. But you know, you do your thing. The squirrel tail might be good on the skewers. I'm going to start mopping these guys up with a little sauce. Hey, do you have a favorite barbecue sauce? Tell us about it down there in the comments. Or what about a recipe? Are you one of those people that makes your own? Yep, there we go. There we go. Now we just gotta let the sauce cook on a few minutes. All right, well, we're ready to come off the fire, I believe. I already spun them, sauced them again, and a couple more sticks caught on fire. Oh, man. There we go. Let me get my rice. Let's go eat. I might spread some rice out in here and de-skewer them right on top. There we go. I'm gonna save a couple to take to work later. So this meal, it'll feed 2 good-hearted campers. Can you see that? All right, well, there's our finished product. Let's dig in and give that guy a taste. Man, I've been wanting to cook this for 2 years since I first did the Spam Timber, and I never have done it. It has been on my radar though. Let's get some Spam and some rice and some Spam, rice, pineapple, and a little red bell pepper. Oh, she's steaming. I can't put that in my mouth just yet, can I? Man, that's such a good flavor profile. The Spam and pineapple and red bell peppers, they just work together. They're friends. And look here, we'll see you on the trail.